Earlier. Hey guys, welcome back everyone to another video on the channel. This one is called, oh my god, I forgot the name, it's hard to pronounce. I'll be sending the game link in the description below. So as I told you in my other video, the item you did, the item you got right now will come tomorrow, because this you will get your item on July 1st. You won't get it right now, right away. You'll get it on July 1st. So this is what you gotta do to get the second item. So what you gotta do is go to Purple World. You can just teleport there. I'm just gonna go into the portal. Oh my god. Is there a big zombie like that? I don't know. So what you gotta do is climb on that big tree. Climb on this tree and go all the way there and follow where I go right now. So I'm gonna be going a little bit bottom. Be careful, try not to fall. Get there, right here. Go right here, and now click on O on your keyboard. You can see there's something under it, a pink color thing. So what we're gonna try to do is land right there. It's gonna be tough landing for me. Am I right in the position? Let me check. Yeah, I think that's safe to land. And as you can see, I land. Try not to fall because it's actually hard. And you gotta go here where there is something blocking your way. And the code is 2002 0 2 2. Click on enter. It's 2022. I mean, it's 2022 is the code. I gotta type it again. 2022. Enter. And you can get in. And there's something else. They're testing this. And then what now you have to do is dear testers, for the free virtual item, you will not get the item in your inventory as it's just not activated yet. It will be activated on July 1st. Thank you. Tester, sincerely, the badge testing. So you don't need to click on the green one. You want the purple one. Click on the purple one, and there you go. As you can see, I got myself the brilliant Haze bird. That's how you get this item. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Bye guys.